You know, I don't I don't do videos in the evening that much. You usually see me drinking coffee, but tonight I'm working late, and so we're going to go over the song Tangerine, and we're going to cover open voicings. A couple little reharmonization things that are kind of nice. Um, Last two lines, kind of a flat 5 chord there. You know, many times you'll see D minor and then D minor with a C in the bass. I always kind of like to leave the third out and just kind of go down to like an A minor, you know, first inversion chord. I like that chord progression. You know, that's kind of like G7, B minor 7, flat 5.